or she? What will baby be? Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a baby.
Let's ask
Pili
Kate.
ka, pili. Pili. Which one? Come here.
Pili, oh, pili ka dun.
Pili,
oh.
pili.
Pangalawang beses.
Sapa.
One more,
Kitty.
Katie. Is it
Oh, pili
boy
ka, dali.
or a girl?
Tatlo.
Let's ask DJ.
I'm Kuya DJ. I think you're a boy, so we can play and I can buy you.
Hi, I'm Ate Tin. I'm your cousin. I know you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your tito, and I think you're a boy.
Hello, baby. I'm your Tita Ann, and I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your Tita Ninang and I think you're a boy.
Hi, I'm Quirin. I think you're gonna be a girl.
Hello, I'm Tito Jesse. I think you're a boy. If you're not a boy, I'm sure you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your Tito Egg, and I know you're a girl.
This is Grandma Minda. And I think you are a boy. And whatever you are, I love you. Okay?
I'm Ninang Jenny. I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your Tito Alan. I think you're a girl.
Hi, I'm your Tita Rina. Hi, I'm Ate Sam.
And you think your baby is a girl?
Hi, baby, I'm Ate Alice.
Hi, baby. I'm Tita Dayan.
I think your baby is a girl.
Hi, Bebe! I'm your Ate Ashley and I think you're a girl.
Hi, baby. I'm Tito Patrick, and I think you're a boy.
Hi, baby. I think you're a
It's
boy.
a boy.
I'm your mama Ine. I think it's a boy. Biya po, ako si Papa Duming mo. Ang hulo ko sa'yo ay babae.
Hello, baby! Ako si Mama Bebe. Ang hula ko, ikaw ay baby boy! Love you!
Hello, bebe. Ako si Papa Simo. Hula ko, lalaki.
Nandito nga pala si Tito Mupiolo. Ang hula ko ay baby girl.
Oh, Bebe, ako ang ina. Ang hula ko sa'yo ay babae.
Hello, si Mama Wilma. Ang hula kay lalaki.
Hello, baby. Ako si Kuya Dan. Ang hula ko sa'yo ay may itlog ka. Ikaw ay boy.
Hi, baby. I'm your tata. I think you're a girl.
Baby Pochi, Baby MC, Tabachoy, na baby. I think ano ka, dahil pinili ni Katie yung pink, makikipink kami. Oh, I'm wearing pink, baby.
Kay Gaya.
Ano sa'yo?
Siyempre, kung ano kay Katie.
Okay, baby. See you soon. I'm your mommy, Umi. And this is your daddy, Ed. Hope to see you soon. Hello, baby. I'm Tata Kim. And I think I was the first one to know your gender. And then that's our first secret. So it's a secret.
Oh, we have the envelope.
We are secret keeper for the baby. Are you ready?
Tag-isa tayo kung ano yun. Sige. May color eh. Si Ate yung mag-answer. It has 2 colors. Wait lang. One.
1, 2,
3.
3.